Goodbyes can be bittersweet, especially when they're said against the backdrop of such breathtaking beauty. As our journey begins, we bid farewell to newfound friends, leaving behind the majestic burn near the cliffs of Moher and setting our way back to Bunratty on the rugged west coast. The West Coast unfolds before us like a canvas painted by nature herself. The cliffs give way to sweeping vistas of the Atlantic Ocean, each curve of the road revealing a new spectacle to behold. In this short episode, we wanted to just let you see some of the beauty of Ireland as we ride along the journey. Amidst the rugged beauty, we catch glimpses of Irish life, residential architecture that stands as a testament to the resilience of its people, centuries-old churches steeped in history, and small, quaint towns that seem frozen in time. There's a certain magic to traversing the rugged coastline on a motorcycle. The wind in your face, the scent of a burning fireplace, and the salty air filling your lungs. These are experiences you only get while riding a motorcycle that make the journey so unforgettable. As we make our way towards our final destination, the allure of Bunratty beckons us home. Nestled amidst the rolling hills, this ancient town holds within its walls stories of times gone by, where every cobblestone whispers of legends and lore. Established in 1620, the house of Durty Nelly has thrived. It has brought refreshment and comfort to many a weary traveler, and it has remained the noted gateway to the stunningly beautiful west of Ireland. Men and women who saw plantations, penal laws, great hunger, and countless battles over time have traversed this famous bridge and stopped for a quick drop in the comforts of this famous tavern. Durty Nelly's hospitality, warmth, and generosity of spirit have remained in this most welcoming of public houses for centuries since her death. And her blessing to you is, may the road rise up to meet you, may the wind be always at your back, may the sun shine warm upon your face, the rains fall soft upon your fields, and until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand.